Hello everyone. Today's topic Introduction to Statistics. Definition: Statistics may be defined as a science of collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. In this, four terms are included: collection of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, and interpretation of data. Collection of data: you can collect a data in various ways. Presenting, that's also in a various ways. Analysis of data means doing the calculation. Interpretation, showing the result, the final conclusion, that is interpretation of data. See here, you can collect data in different sources like from internet and other sources. You can use previously collected and stored data, reusing someone else's data, or you can purchase the data. Or otherwise, a data collecting tools can be interviews, observation, surveys, usage data, or a focus groups. These are the collecting of tools. See students, now how to present a data. There are the three methods: textual form, tabular, or graphical representation. We will see what is graphical. We see the graphical representations of data. The transformation of data through visual methods like graphs, diagrams, maps, charts, that are called representation of data. You can pause and you can read also. Visualization techniques are a way of creating and manipulating the graphs. Pictures can convey an overall message much better than a list of numbers, right? So we use these representations in order to gain better insight and understanding of the problem. We can see further what is graphical. In other way, I can define the graphs as: we can present data in a graphical form as it is easier to see what is going on, right? Or to spot the patterns rather than looking at raw numbers in a table or in a spreadsheets. Graphs are visual images which are quick and easy to read. Types of graphs, that are bar graph, histogram graph, frequency polygon, and pie chart. Pie chart, the complete details is there in a 10th class syllabus. We'll deal with bar, histogram, and polygon. See the first, that is bar graph. You can see in the figure, on x-axis there are soccer, basketball, tennis, hockey, and baseball. And you observe also all are having an equal distance and looks like a pillars, right? Check the second one, histogram. You can see the figure, it's the pillars are very close, not totally close to each other, no distance. Here is the difference between bar graph and histogram. Bar having a spaces between each bar, and histogram is not having. Check. Number 3 is frequency polygon. This we will draw with our free hand and also with a scale. Check the fourth, that is pie chart. This detailedly we are going to study in a 10th class. Up to 3 only we will study. Yes student, the next concept is measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency is very important for your next standard, that is 10th class. Measures of central tendency provides a very convenient way of describing a set of scores with a single number, okay, and also defined as a single value that is used to describe the center of the data. Commonly, 3 measures of central tendencies are mean, median, and mode. Dear student, this was your intro and concept of statistics. All these concepts we are going to discuss in our next video. Meanwhile, take care of yourself, watch the video and like it, and also thanks for watching. Thank you very much, students. Take care of yourself. Please remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.